Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to track budgets in Asana. Whether you're managing a project or trying to keep an eye on your project's finances, Asana provides powerful tools to help you stay on top of your budget and expenses. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing into Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your admin dashboard where you can manage all your projects and tasks. Step 2. Creating a budgeting project. To start, let's focus on creating a dedicated budgeting project. If budgeting is a priority for you, you might want to create an individual project for it. If it's more of a supplementary task, you can integrate it into existing projects. To create a new project, click on Add a New Project. Here you'll see some recommendations from Asana, like workflow templates, but for budgeting, we'll go ahead and create a blank project. Type in budgeting for the project name and set it up under your workspace. You can also choose a view, whether you prefer a list, timeline, board, or even a calendar view. For budgeting, a list view is great because it allows you to see all your financials in a clear, organized format. Now, let's create the project. Step 3. Setting up budgeting fields. Once your project is set up, it's time to add the necessary fields to track your budget. For this, we're going to need a few custom fields. Budget. This is where you'll enter your planned budget for the project. Spendings. Track the actual expenses as they occur. Revenue, if applicable, track income or expected returns. Resources. You can use this for any resource used or allocated budget for specific resources. To set these up, click on Add Field and select Number for fields like budget, spendings, and revenue. Next, let's add a formula field to calculate the remaining budget. You can set up a formula like remaining.budget minus spendings. This gives you an automatic calculation of the leftover budget, so you can keep track in real time. Step 4. Tracking gains or losses. You can also create a formula field to calculate gains or losses. This would simply subtract spendings from revenue so you can see whether the project is profitable or not. The formula could be gains plus profit and formula plus profit converts you. Gains plus profit and formula plus profit is more common sensitive. This will help you quickly assess how well your project is doing financially. Step 5. Assigning tasks and due dates. For your budgeting project, you'll want to assign tasks to the appropriate team members. For example, if someone is responsible for tracking material purchases, you could assign that task with a specific budget amount and set due dates. As you add tasks, you can input the budget amount for each item and track the spending as it occurs. For example, let's say one of your team members is buying materials for the project. You can create a task like Cloud C buying materials and set the budget as $500. Once the task is completed, enter the actual spendings, e.g., $300, and automatically calculate the remaining budget. Step 6. Integrating budgets into existing projects. If budgeting is not the highest priority, but you still want to track finances in existing projects, you can add budgeting fields to those projects as well. For instance, you can add a cost amount, spending, and gains field to your regular project. To do this, just go to your project, click on Add Field, and select the necessary number fields for budget, spending, and gains. You can then set up a formula to calculate the total remaining or gains, just as we did in the budgeting project. You can also create custom views to make it easier to track your budget. For example, you can create a budget overview view, where you only see the budget, spendings, and remaining budget columns. This makes it easier to monitor financials at a glance without having to scroll through all the tasks. Step 7. Tracking progress and adjusting budgets. As your project progresses, you can update the spendings field whenever you incur new costs. This will automatically update the remaining budget and give you a clear view of whether you're staying within budget or overspending. In case you need to adjust your budget, Asana allows you to easily update the numbers in the fields, and all associated formulas will adjust accordingly. This flexibility helps you keep accurate financial records throughout the life of the project. And that's it. Tracking your project's budget in Asana is a simple and effective way to stay on top of expenses, revenue, and financial progress. By adding custom fields and formulas, you can easily monitor your project's financial health and make adjustments as needed. Everything shown in this video, including any example data, such as email addresses or personal details, is for demonstration purposes only. Be sure to use your own information when managing your real projects in Asana. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Asana tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.